say BELLAVOLGS. Spellvlogs. Hey guys, so today I'll be making a vending machine, a prize vending machine. So you get prizes out of it. So I can have like all these little prize things, like rings and little these things, and like stickers and little notepads and little maze games, erasers, a lot of those yo-yos, mini yo-yos. Yeah, I have made a vending machine before. I've made a candy vending machine, but that's a different video, so you guys can go check that out. So first, you'll just need a knife. This got burnt on the bottom, so it's broken. But you just want to cut off the top parts. You don't need those parts, guys, because you'll need it for something else. Huh? What? Oh. I just want to cut it off, so I'll be right back when I'm finished cutting off all the sides. So I finished cutting the sides. No more sides, except for this part. It's just a little bit. But, here, let me cut that part off now. It's getting annoying. So the next part is sticking out. Like that. There. See? That's better. So now, so basically the vending machine has this, so you have to bring it like this way, and have it this way, and you want to insert the coins, so you're going to need some cardboard for that too, for the coins, and some tape. You need some tape. I have colorful tape, because, I want to be colorful. Oh gosh, listen to this girl. Oh, it doesn't work anymore. But whatever. So you just take, for the coins, you have to put like a little, like cut part. One of it, like a little mark. You can just put a little space right there. Try to cut it out, guys. Sorry. I'll be satisfied. So you just want a little hole right there, and then you can take some paper and put 25 cents and then hang it up, or write it on here, 25 cents. But I'm going to decorate mine, so I'm not going to do that. And then for the inside, since you have that hole, you want to put the prize where it comes out in this part of the bottom too, because so you just want to cut a big square. It costs me is a wonder. So different island. Sorry guys, if this is taking forever. I'm just cutting this part off. Oh my. I check there. See the light inside. So you should have a big hole right there. And then right on the bottom of that part. guys dare me to cut myself? Just joking, guys. I wouldn't cut myself, but while I go, I know. Like, pretend this was my coin. Right here, this diabetic strip. You put it in, falls in, and then your gift comes falling out. Okay, for the part where the gift comes out, far I go, I know. Is this one longer? So you just want to take the time tape and line it up like evenly. Oh. Okay, there. That's just done. I'm just cutting the tape, guys. I'll be right back. So, guys, I'm just going to show you how to work. I forgot to press the record button, so I thought I was recording the whole time, but I wasn't. So, I'm sorry, guys. I wish I was, because I'm so stupid. But I'm just going to show you guys how it technically works. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Like, okay. So, basically, you put quarter in. And then, when you put the quarter in, it pushes the thing in, and then it makes the prize drop. And then you can refill it and stuff, so just put the quarter in. Oh, that fell. I'm sorry. And then it makes the prize drop. And then once the prize is on the cardboard, like right here, you guys can see that? Right here. Here. Let me get a better angle for you guys. Right here. Is that good? Yeah, you guys can see it. So once the prize drops, you see this little cardboard thing. Here, let me show you guys. I'm sorry, guys. It drops on the cardboard. And then you like pull this cardboard thing out. And then you pull the cardboard thing out. I'm sorry, guys. Wait. You're going to have to wait a sec. And then your prize comes out with it. And then once you get your prize, you put this box back in. The money goes onto the bottom, right here, in the bottom. So yeah, so I have like all these prizes and stuff. I keep, and I have a back door right here. Here, let me open it. Right here, so I can refill the prizes. So like if I want to refill it, I just go through the back door. Go through the back door, and then just put it on there, and then like the prize comes out when you put money in it. It won't come out if you don't put money in it. Look, watch. If you don't put money in it, it won't come out. Okay, let me take the money out. If you don't, watch. If you don't put a quarter in, let me look for a penny. Oh, so if you don't put a quarter in, it won't come out. It doesn't come out. it won't come out if you put a quarter in. And the penny gets stuck up here, and it doesn't go to the bottom. So, yeah. And if you do put a quarter, I'll take my quarter, it will come out. So, put quarter in. Oh, why does that one keep falling? And then the thing should fall out in like a little second. The thing will fall out and like that. Oh, I forgot to put the thing back in. So let's redo that. Let's redo that. Let me put the quarter back on here. So you put the quarter in, and then your prize drops, and then you pull it out like that, and then you have your prize. See? You just pull it out with the handle. So then when you're done, you put this back on, the handle back on there, because you will need that handle. And I leave like a couple prizes out if I need a refill. I just take a prize or something, I put it on in here, take a prize from where I am, and then you refill it like that. And then you just like put, and then the prize is in there, and then when you put your quarter in, the thing should fall out. The thing should fall out on your prize box. Oh wait, it's not facing you guys. It should fall out, and then you guys pull it out, and then you have your prize. In this case, you have a little maze. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me show you guys the inside. It's really not that. It's just blank. All you have is like a cardboard thing,